thoughts here. How could we enhance the role of women in manufacturing? As I said, we need a right ecosystem to nurture the talent out there, and also taking bold bets. When we see potential, typically the saying has been in corporate world that men are judged on potential and women on performance. A slight shift in terms of outlook and saying, yes, I'm going to take a bold bet. There is a gut feel. What happens? If it doesn't work out, she's not going to be there. But give that opportunity to women so that they can come up. Let's not have the default setting of saying, this role is stereotyped. I don't think a girl, a lady can do this. If we can just open up our minds a little more, I think there will be a lot more opportunities to deploy women in the manufacturing sector. For young entrepreneurs who want to really dare, some good financing options could be helpful. Lot of newsletters or searchable online directory where people could actually understand who are those in the system, where could they actually go and talk to, how do they get some references, is there best practice sharing? Those all will help bring in more confidence in women into the industry. Last but most importantly is to give them the visibility and also recognize that you can do it and you've done it, and this is so important, and you recognize your efforts in this area and showcase those role models more and more is going to help. With that, I want to leave with a small little thought here. Most of you would have heard about the story of the starfish, right? It's about the small boy in the sands of the beach who's taking the starfish and throwing it back into the waters. So the question is, there's so many starfish lying on the beach. Can you really help all of them? Can you solve world hunger? Is it ever going to be possible? But the boy simply said, throwing the starfish and not wasting time. If I can make a difference to one starfish, that's good for me. Similarly, today in this forum, if each one of us can take a resolution that we can make a difference in the industry where we are in, by committing to say that, yes, I'm going to create a good system where I will be tolerant, where I can create an ecosystem which can promote women to be there, to learn, grow and develop. I think that will do a lot, because there is a complete different perspective, there is a skill set, there is a value that each diverse group brings in. With that, thanks for your time, and if there are any questions toward the end of the session, I'll be glad to take it.